What's up? It's Cheption Mutai here. Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media freelance tech and business. In this video, I'll be reviewing Boma Yangu website. This is a website that manages the affordable housing program in Kenya. Here, you can find information about the affordable housing program in each county across the country. If you want to purchase a home under the affordable housing program by the government of Kenya, here on Boma Yangu, you can find more information about the same and start your journey towards owning a home under the affordable housing program. So what is in for us on the Boma Yangu website? Let's all hop in and check what is there. Stay tuned. So to get started, go to bomayangu.go.ke. This is the landing page, and there is a notification here that has popped up about affordable housing program. This is an update about the program, so we close this one and we are taken to the home page of Boma Yangu. As you can see here, you can register, you can log in using the links here, or you can use eCitizen to log in to this account of Boma Yangu. So you can access Boma Yangu using eCitizen account. So if you're a Kenyan, you know what eCitizen is all about. So when you scroll down, as you can see here, you can see they have 400 projects in pipeline, 30,000 active savers, 300,000 registered applicants, 200 plus strategic partners and applicants. So these are the stats about Boma Yangu program or affordable housing program. You can start your journey to home ownership in 3 simple steps. Register. You can use short code on your phone or USSD code *832# and start registering for the affordable housing program. Conditions are that you must be a Kenyan citizen above 18 years old and have a valid national identity card. So once you've registered to Boma Yangu, you are required to save money and activate your account first with 200 Kenya shillings, and after activation you can start saving money anytime until you reach a 10% of that value of the house that you want to purchase. So you register 200 shillings, then contribute, make savings until you reach that threshold of 10% of the unit value. Now after that you've reached the 10%, once projects are completed, the allocation process will begin. As a registered member, you will be notified when the allocation process starts. You will be asked to select a unit and notified on the amount you need to have saved to be eligible for allocation. The allocation process for homes will be done through fair and transparent process. So this process now, once you've saved, and maybe by the time that you signed up, you saw an house that you liked and you saved that amount, you'll be allocated an house. So this Boma Yangu program serves local home applicants, diaspora home applicants, property developers, organized groups, MSMEs, financial investors or strategic partners. So let's go to the about page. So this is about the affordable housing program, or about Boma Yangu. Boma Yangu portal is a solution supporting the affordable housing program, targeting delivery of decent and affordable housing to low and middle income households. It aims to reduce the gap between demand and supply for housing in Kenya and provide the main component of a large framework established towards the 200,000 affordable houses annually. So this program aims to build 200,000 affordable houses annually. Let's go to the projects now. These are the projects that are ongoing under the affordable housing program. You can see they are spread across the country, across different counties in Kenya. We can see here we have Lamu, Meru, Kakamega, Kajiado, Taita Taveta, Bungoma, Nakuru, Nyeri, Vihiga, Nandi, Kilifi, Kiambu, Nairobi, Laikipia. And you can see the price of these houses here. The one in Nairobi, for example, here you can see Shauri Moyo. And the affordable one unit starts from 2 million Kenya shillings. So when I click to it, you can see 1 bedroom you pay 2 million Kenya shillings, 2 bedroom you pay 2.7, and 3 bedroom you pay 3.5 million Kenya shillings. So as you can see, while they say these houses are affordable, I feel this amount is too high, considering that in Nairobi one can buy a plot or buy a land and build for themselves. You can pay 10% of 3.5 million, that is about 350,000 Kenya shillings, and book that unit, and now you can move in and you can agree with the sellers, that is Boma Yangu, on the amount that you'll be paying every month. For example, if you're paying a rent of 20,000 Kenya shillings monthly, you pay that deposit of 350,000 Kenya shillings, it means that maybe you will pay for a period of like 10 years and above. There's APHP landmarks. These are the lands details documents documenting the lands where affordable housing program or houses will be built across the country. If you have any question regarding to affordable housing program, you can check here on FAQs. This is the page where frequently asked questions about the housing program is. So there are tenders here. You can apply for different tender opportunities. There is expression of interest, and then there is tender opportunities. So you can see opportunities here. Most of the tenders here are for building and design, for construction, building and design. So you can look for one within your county and apply and get and benefit from this affordable program. Of course, if you want to contact Boma Yangu, you can come to the contact page here. They have a phone number, they have an email address, and they have also a form, a contacts form, where you can reach out to them by typing in a message here. So let's now log in to Boma Yangu. To log in, click on login financial. So I log in as home applicant. And when I log in, the first pop-up window that pops up is to make my first saving of 200 Kenya shillings. When I click on save now, you'll say 200 Kenya shillings. It says initiate, and on the new window you can pay using various forms here. I'll just cancel this process and let's see. Current savings, I have 0. Deposit amount required 10% of this 1.68. So we come to projects here, and as you can see, these are the projects that I liked or I preferred, and you can see it's showing here I liked. Let's look for a house in Nairobi. Where is this? As you can see here, we have Nairobi. This is one of the Nairobi Shauri Moyo affordable. It's ongoing project that we clicked before. As you can see, they are selling a 3-bedroom house for 3.5 million. At the end of this project, this is how the affordable houses will look like. It looks very beautiful. So they'll have this project will have a social hall, nursery school, green spaces and landscaping, perimeter wall and lifts. So let's select a 3-bedroom and see how it looks like. This is 3-bedroom unit. It shows here. We can see how it looks like inside the house. We have bedroom 1, bedroom 2, and bedroom 3. And then there is This is the kitchen. It's an open kitchen. They have open kitchen, as you can see here. This is the kitchen. As you enter the house, the first place you'll arrive at is the kitchen. Then from the kitchen, this is the dining. We have the lounge and stuff like that. We have the 2-bedroom house. So this is an example of all these houses. Once I select a unit here, if I click on pay deposit, you will see that I'll be required to pay a deposit of 276,450, and once I pay this, I'll be allocated the unit, and now I can continue paying from there. You see here important information. After making the payment, the unit will be reserved for you pending pre-qualification, and I think they'll be doing pre-qualifications later, and you may miss the house as well, as they say here. So there are many things that you can do here. You can see your savings, you can go back to home, and that is it about the affordable housing program. But all in all, the cons about this housing program is that it's not much affordable anyway. If you're going to pay 2 million or 3 million for a 2-bedroom house in a 6th floor of a building, I feel it's quite expensive, considering that all Kenyans have participated in contributing towards the construction of these houses. I think maybe they would have considered that those who have contributed, like who have had their housing levy deducted from their salary, they will have an upper hand. They'll buy these houses at a much lower price compared to those people who've not contributed towards the housing levy. And if you're paying back the amount that was used to construct the house, who is benefiting from this money that is being refunded? Because the cost of construction is being contributed by Kenyans. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to leave a comment below here and let me know your thoughts. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheption Mutai.